it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who aren't new, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing 3 simple DIYs for Valentine's Day using Dollar Tree items. Before we jump into it, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I will be using the wall art from the Dollar Tree, and I got this a while back. It says Home Sweet Home. And I'll be using this love sign. This is also from the Dollar Tree. The first thing I want to do is start painting the wood on here. I don't want it to be this color, and I want them to hopefully come out looking sort of the same. I had this Americana Decor chalk paint. You could get this at Michael's, and this is just in the white color. I don't think this color is going to cover, so I'm going to go sand that off real quick. Same with the yellow. Alright guys, so I'm back, and I did have to sand off the colors because the white paint just was not covering. So I'm going to get back to now starting to paint. And I'm not gonna lie guys, it was kind of hard to get that paint off. I actually went up in the attic looking for just a regular piece of sandpaper, and I found even better. I found a sander up there. So I decided to plug that in and go ahead and use the electric sander. So this is one coat, front and back, and you could see that it's gonna need another coat or maybe 2. So I'm gonna let this first coat dry before I do the rest. So the white paint dried, and I attached my love so that this would be attached to the frame. And I used just my Fix-All and a little bit of hot glue to attach it. So now it's just one piece. So now what I'm going to do using my hot glue gun is I'm going to add on these little flowers onto my butterflies. And that's how this Love Home Sweet Home sign came out. And this is kind of good for any time of the year. You don't only have to use this for Valentine's Day. Now for this DIY, I'm using this love sign from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using my bling wrap here to cover it on up. Going to be using my hot glue gun to attach the bling wrap. Smearing the glue so that it's not too blobby and it doesn't make it stick out, and that makes it kind of pop off. So that's why I'm smearing it with the tip of my glue gun here, as you could see. So I'm just going to continue gluing and attaching my bling wrap. As needed, I'm cutting little strips or pieces to fit in the gaps, since this is not a perfect shape, being that it's letters. And when I need to, I just start trimming off as necessary. Alright, so we got the L and the O, and I'm just going to keep working at this and getting them on and as even as possible. So that's how my blinged out rhinestone love sign came out, and I'm absolutely loving the outcome. So for this DIY, I'm going to be using 2 of these frames from the Dollar Tree, and I already took the glass out of one because we're going to just take this picture off, and then what we're going to do is use this beautiful mirrored love, and we're going to put that inside our tray. So that's gonna go in here. We're gonna layer our second piece of glass on top of it, and then we're gonna put our other frame on top. And this way we could put things in our tray, and that's it. And for this, I'm gonna use a combination of my Fix-All glue and my hot glue gun. And it comes off real easy. So now that my glass is clean, I'm going to put on my mirrored sticker, and this has a backing that's sticky, so just take that off. And we're just going to stick that in our glass. And I'm just making sure my thing is as clean as it could be here. So I'm going to use some hot glue here in the inside so that the glass stays. And now for attaching this part, I'm going to use that combination like I said, just so that it stays a little bit more stronger. So first I'm gonna put some of this. And now you got a cute little love tray. So this tray was real simple, and I think it looks so cute. I'm really happy with how this tray came out. So guys, that's it for my Valentine's DIYs today. I hope you enjoyed them. Please comment down below. Let me know which was your favorite and which you may try yourself at home. So don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.